Stop. Don't translate. Don't panic. Just listen and repeat after me. For the next 5 minutes, you're not studying English. You're using English in a real pharmacy. Relax your mind. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes because every sentence you repeat makes your English stronger. Stay with me until the end, and you'll know how to ask for medicine, understand the pharmacist, and speak naturally in everyday American English. Ready? Let's begin. Listen, then repeat. Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Pharmacy. Good afternoon. How can I help you today? I'm not feeling very well. I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem? I have a sore throat and a bad cough. I also have a headache. I hope you can recommend something. Of course. I'll be happy to help you. Let's find the right medicine for you. Listen, then repeat. Do you have anything for a sore throat? Yes. We have several options. Do you also have a cough? Yes. It's been bothering me for 2 days. I understand. This medicine can help with both symptoms. How often should I take it? Take 1 tablet every 8 hours after meals. Be sure to drink plenty of water and get some rest. Thank you for the advice. Listen, then repeat. Will this medicine make me sleepy? It might make you a little sleepy. It's best not to drive after taking it. I understand. Are there any side effects? Some people may feel tired or have a dry mouth. If you have any concerns, please contact your doctor. Thank you for explaining everything. You're welcome. Your health is important to us. Listen, then repeat. I'll take this medicine, please. Certainly. Would you like anything else? Yes. I'd also like some vitamin C. That's a good choice. Your total comes to $24.50. Can I pay by card? Of course. Please tap your card here. Done. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Listen, then repeat. How long will it take to work? Most people start feeling better within 2 or 3 days. That's good to know. Should I take it with food? Yes. Take it after meals. Don't skip any doses. Finish the full course of medicine. Even if you feel better, keep taking it as directed. I understand. Thank you for the helpful advice. Listen, then repeat. Excuse me. Do you sell vitamins? Yes. They're on the shelf behind you. Which one do you recommend? Vitamin C is a popular choice. It helps support your immune system. Great. I'll take 1 bottle. Would you like the small bottle or the large one? The large one, please. Excellent choice. Listen, then repeat. Is everything ready? Yes. Your total is $32.20. Can I pay by card? Of course. Please insert or tap your card. Done. Your payment was successful. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Take care, and get well soon. Listen, then repeat. Thank you for your kindness. It was my pleasure. I really appreciate your help. You're always welcome. I hope you feel better soon. I'm sure I will. I'll follow your advice. Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Excellent work. You completed today's pharmacy shadowing practice. Every sentence you repeated helped you speak more naturally. Remember, fluent English isn't about speaking perfectly. It's about speaking with confidence. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep practicing every single day. Watch this lesson again tomorrow and notice how much easier it becomes. Before you leave, go to the comments and type just one word. Fluent. Let's build a community of confident English speakers. I'll see you in the next shadowing English practice. Bye.